미국 캘리포니아주에 위치한 해변 도시 롱비치.
For Charlie 92, show me out of traffic at Anaheim in Oregon on the last plate.
FTO 과정을 막 수료한 순찰 경찰 델가도가 차량 검문에 나섭니다.
Hey, look who it is.
What up, Officer Delgado?
평소 안면이 있던 운전자에게 친근하게 다가가던 그때
You been partying? What's up with her?
조수석에서 의식을 잃은 여성이 포착됩니다.
Look, I'm gonna keep it straight with you. All right, she ate a bunch of gummies, knocked her ass sideways. I'm just trying to get her home safely, you know what I mean?
그리고 뒷좌석에서 심상치 않은 눈빛을 보내는 남자 매니악.
Wake her up and step out of the vehicle.
Fuck, are you serious?
All three of you. Let's go, nice and slow.
Man, this shit ain't right. You just be pulling people over for nothing now.
I'm not gonna ask again. Out of the car, now. For Charlie 92, requesting back.
그들은 다급히 총을 쏘며 도주하고
All units 999 for Charlie 92 at Anaheim and Oregon. Units respond to. Charlie 92, your status? Charlie 92, your status?
델가도는 구급차가 도착하기도 전에 현장에서 목숨을 잃고 맙니다.
Think something's off. Wait for backup. Field training 101.
델가도의 사망 소식에 그녀를 가르쳤던 하머는 큰 충격에 빠지고 조금만 더 제대로 가르쳤더라면 이 비극을 막을 수 있지 않았을까 자책감이 그녀를 하루하루 짓눌러갑니다. 설상가상 델가도의 죽음 이후 그녀를 바라보는 동료들의 눈빛도 어딘가 달라져 있었죠.
Gangs just ID'd Delgado's shooter, Eddie Watson. He and the piece of shit driver Juan Cortez are still believed to be in the city, but likely trying to flee.
서장의 브리핑을 통해 알게 된 델가도 살인범의 정체.
We have a multi-agency task force looking for these motherfuckers. That's their job. Your job is business as usual.
당장이라도 범인을 쏴버리고 싶은 충동을 하머는 애써 억누릅니다.
Academy taught you need 4 mags, right?
Yeah.
이제 막 배정된 새 교육생 디아스와의 첫 순찰이 기다리고 있었기 때문이었죠.
Officer Harmon.
Oh, Diaz.
Now that we got that out of the way, you can stop calling me ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just Harmon. Give this to all my trainees day one.
Get out of jail free card. And they've all used it.
So far, every single one.
실수 면제권으로 통하는 카드를 건네며 순찰을 시작하는 하먼.
So, how'd you do at the academy?
Second in the class.
Out of how many?
3.
Well, I'm sure that really reaffirmed your career choice.
가벼운 대화를 나누던 것도 잠시 곧바로 가상 상황 훈련을 실시하는데
Where are we?
Where are we now?
One of them just shot me. Where are we?
The Cambodian coffee truck.
That's mobile.
Yeah, it's the one on
I'm bleeding out, for Christ's sakes.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, get back in here. Shut the door.
처음부터 최악의 상황을 가정한 이유는 관할 지역에서 사건 사고가 끊이지 않기 때문이었고
Staffing shortages means no more 2-officer units. You'll be out here on your own. So study the beat maps of the area, know them like the back of your hand. Understood?
Understood.
말이 끝나기 무섭게 신고가 접수되며 두 사람은 현장으로 출동합니다.
Asshole, I will tase you.
Okay, dude, hey. Somebody tell me what's going on.
He took my purse!
Crazy, I didn't take shit. Neighbors saw him beating on her after she refused to give him money.
That's bullshit. She doesn't have any money.
Okay, just cuff him and get him out of here. All right? Man, sit down.
피해자는 약에 중독된 아들에게 폭행을 당한 어머니.
Has he done this to you before?
Who do you mean, robbed me or beat me?
Why would he rob you?
He wants money for dope.
Okay, thank you. Okay, ma'am, it's okay. The good news is your son is going to cool off in lockup tonight, all right?
No. We just had a little argument.
Ma'am, he assaulted you.
Yeah, he's my boy. He's a good kid. He's just, he got in when he gets in one of his moods,
Believe me, I get it, but you can't enable him.
Handing him over to you is the answer? I don't think so.
It's not a suggestion.
Hey, don't come in here judging me like
all
you're
right.
better than me, okay? We're more than good, so you can leave.
하지만 팔은 안으로 굽는다고 했던가 그녀는 오히려 자신을 때린 아들을 감싸기만 합니다.
Answer me this, Ricky. What kind of man hits his own mother?
You don't know shit.
아들 역시 수사에 협조할 생각은 전혀 없었고
I'll let you arrest me on whatever bullshit charge you got. Not like I won't be out in an hour anyways.
Next time we show up here, you're going to be leaving in the back of an ambulance instead of a cruiser. And I am going to personally make sure that it is for an attempted murder charge. That's 5 to 7. You hear me, asshole?
결국 하머는 더 큰 혐의로 기소하겠다며 협박하지만 그 모든 장면은 디아스의 바디캠에 고스란히 담기고 있었습니다.
You get a statement?
She locked herself in the bathroom and won't come out.
Told you that bitch is crazy.
She what?
Yeah, I tried talking to her, but she just yelled
Didn't
at
they
me.
teach you anything at the academy? Camera goes off after enforcement.
I know. I'm sorry, I forgot.
You forgot. Where?
Left. I didn't see anything inappropriate.
Yeah, you're not the only one watching.
설상가상 더 큰 문제는 따로 있었으니
Ma'am! Take the door.
약에 중독된 사람은 아들이 아닌 바로 엄마였다는 사실이었죠.
Jesus.
I told you. We're good here.
따뜻한 햇살과 상쾌한 바닷바람이 불어오는 도시 롱비치. 하지만 그 이면에는 갱단과 약, 각종 강력 범죄가 끊임없이 들끓고 있었습니다.
Do me a favor, run that Ford.
Okay. Well, no East Bajío or any other clique affiliations. But the owner does have an active warrant out for driving on an expired license.
Light him up.
Let's do it.
순찰을 이어가던 하머는 수상한 차량 한 대를 발견하고 검문을 시작하는데
Why'd you stop me?
Driving on expired license.
My license isn't expired. Check it.
Is this your vehicle?
It's my brother's. I'm borrowing it.
Well, your brother's license is expired. Watch him, Diaz.
Yeah, I got him.
무슨 이유에서인지 약에 찌든 운전자에게 유독 부드러운 태도를 보이는 디아스.
Look, could I talk to him first?
What are you, Dr. Phil?
2 minutes.
남자의 인생이 망가지는 것을 외면할 수 없었던 것일까. 약을 끊으라며 진심 어린 설득을 이어가고
Call your dad. Right now.
I can't do that.
Listen, man. Look at me. It's your only option here.
Hey, Dad, it's me. I'm with the police. I know. I want help. Okay. Goodbye.
끝내 운전자의 마음을 돌린 디아스를 보며 하머는 용의자를 협박했던 자신의 행동을 되돌아보게 됩니다.
I made a threat. That is misconduct, and I'm better than that.
You want me to rat you out?
Can't ask you to lie for me.
Well, I'm no snitch.
그런데 그때
All units be advised, APLR identified a green Mustang, known associate of 187 of Officer Delgado, last observed southbound 700 block of East Hill Street.
델가도를 살해한 공범들의 위치가 무전을 통해 전파되고
You want me to radio another unit? I'll get some more eyes out here.
No. I want to play this out first.
Shit, that's it.
범인들의 모습이 포착되자 하머는 곧장 추격을 개시합니다.
Charlie 85, I have eyes on the vehicle matching that description. Moving eastbound down the 2200 block from Myrtle Avenue.
Copy, Charlie 85. Be advised, do not engage until backup arrives.
I have eyes on the license plate. It is Tom John 737.
하지만 경찰의 추격을 눈치챈 범인들은 거칠게 차량을 몰며 도주하고
Come on! Call EMS!
Charlie 85! Charlie 85! Suspect is...
Get out of the car! Slow! Show me your hands! Hey! Diaz!
Stop!
Stand down!
Stop!
디아스는 하먼의 지시를 무시한 채 홀로 매니악을 뒤쫓는데
Diaz, what's your 20? Diaz, do you copy? What is your 20?
Hey! Let's see your f***ing hands!
Diaz, come in! Where are you?
Vacant home at the corner of Conley and Valley Drive. Suspects inside.
Copy, en route. Stand down until I get to you.
Hands! Let me see your hands!
What did I do?
Clear the house.
No, he's not here. He must have gone
Stop
through a different...
talking. Charlie 85, suspect fled on foot and is still outstanding.
결국 매니악은 놓쳐버리고 무단으로 추격을 감행한 책임은 고스란히 하먼에게 돌아갑니다.
So we've got shit. And when I clock out, I got to explain to the watch commander why I disobeyed orders and I almost got my trainee killed. Didn't you hear me say stand
Yes,
down?
I did, but you said you were big on effort.
Yeah, I'm also big on IQ, all right? Entering alone is not smart.
Yeah, what was I supposed to do, huh? Just let him get away?
You are not hearing me.
디아스의 돌발 행동을 이해할 수 없었던 하먼은 다른 동료가 그를 부추긴 것은 아닌지 의심하지만
Sergeant Lastman?
Yes, you two were chopping it up in the motor pool. What did he say?
Is he the one gunning for you?
Answer my question, huh?
He said Delgado was one of your trainees, and that you take her murder the hardest.
사실 디아스는 델가도가 하먼의 교육생이었다는 사실을 전해 듣고 매니악만큼은 반드시 잡아주고 싶었던 것이었죠.
Yeah, she was one of my trainees.
She was lucky to have you.
Pacific Avenue.
Charlie 85, 2-minute ETA. Clear your head. We still got half a shift to go.
All units, street takeover at Florence and Crenshaw. Multiple vehicles involved, large crowd, intersection blocked.
도심에서 폭죽을 터뜨리며 난동을 벌이는 시민들.
Call it in.
Well, 85, we've got a big crowd down here. Unruly, shooting fireworks, multiple vehicles drifting. Please advise. See you later, motherfucker!
Charlie 85, pull back and observe.
Want us to sit back and watch?
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
하지만 단순 소음 문제로는 이들을 체포할 명분이 없었고
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
You're not going to do anything?
Sir, we're monitoring the situation.
How about stopping it?
답답한 마음으로 상황을 지켜보던 그때 동료의 지원 요청이 무전으로 들어옵니다.
Charlie 97, help call activated.
That's rolling.
Charlie 89 responding, arriving on scene.
Keep the air clear.
All units stay off the air. Charlie 97 respond.
하지만 아무리 호출해도 응답이 돌아오지 않는 상황.
Last known location, Magnolia and Crescent. Help, officer down, I need assistance.
불길한 예감은 언제나 들어맞는 법. 동료는 용의자와 몸싸움을 벌이느라 무전에 응답할 수 없었던 것이었죠.
Charlie 85, I'm with 97. ASAP.
Get out!
디아스는 찰나의 실수로 용의자를 놓쳐버리고 맙니다.
Hey, it's too dangerous. We are getting out of
What are
here.
you talking about? He assaulted your rookie and cracked the victim's head with this thing.
And priority is getting the medical attention.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Diaz, listen to me. Go get him. Now,
No, it is
go.
too dangerous, all right?
What are you talking about? That's bullshit. Somebody's going to jail for this.
Help me.
용의자를 추격할 것인가, 피해자를 치료할 것인가. 우선순위를 두고 하먼과 라스먼의 의견이 엇갈리고
Crowd estimate. Not that big.
Over 200 unruly advised.
Pull back. Give him a 2-block perimeter. Advise every 20 minutes. Copy that.
하먼은 선배 라스먼의 주장을 정면으로 반박하며 피해자를 병원으로 이송합니다.
Diaz!
Get out the way. Open up.
Come on. Come on, I'm gonna get you. 1, 2, 3. Got him? Got him? Okay, out of the way. Move. I need you to clear a path. Move.
덕분에 소중한 생명은 지켜냈지만 범인을 놓친 디아스는 자존심에 깊은 상처를 입고 맙니다.
Hey.
Hey, morning, Sarge.
You're here early.
그런 디아스의 마음을 읽었는지 말을 걸어오는 라스먼.
Hey, listen to this. You know, I came up a million years ago when you handled your business. Now everybody's so woke, nobody wants to put shitheads in jail. General principle. They hit us, we gotta hit them back. All right? Order versus chaos. Laws of the universe.
오랫동안 경찰 생활을 해온 라스먼에게 범죄자는 그저 처단해야 할 대상일 뿐 그의 냉정한 한마디는 디아스의 마음에 깊은 파문을 남깁니다.
Should have f***ing gotten the guy, man.
Then what?
Then
Then you'd what? Because I will tell you, he would be back out on the street before we are even finished processing the paperwork.
What about him assaulting Roland? Huh? You just gonna let that shit slide?
단순히 용의자를 놓친 것을 넘어 복수심까지 품게 된 디아스의 모습에 하먼은 말없이 어딘가로 향하는데
Where are we headed?
그가 데려간 곳은 바로 델가도가 목숨을 잃은 현장이었습니다.
Oh shit.
Delgado bled out right there, trying to keep them safe, and they don't have a clue.
It's fucked up.
Yeah, that's reality.
경찰이 시민을 지키다 순직해도 대부분의 사람들은 그 사실조차 알지 못하고
And I think about all the things that I could have done to teach her better, and I don't want to have to do that for you. So the next time you want to run off after somebody...
All available units respond to Greenbelt Park, northeast corner. Bus bench off Spring Street, possible homicide.
You just do me a favor and you think it through.
무리한 검거는 정의를 이루는 것이 아니라 헛된 죽음만 남길 수 있다는 현실을 디아스에게 일깨워줍니다. 공원에서 시신이 발견되었다는 소식에 곧장 현장으로 출동하는 두 사람.
Poke a finger and find out.
Who found it?
One of the zombies here.
현장에는 테이프에 감긴 피해자의 머리뿐 몸은 어디서도 찾을 수 없었고
What do you think? Was he murdered here in the park, or is this just a drop?
I'd say drop. I don't see any blood anywhere.
Show her what you found.
Okay, we got him. Thank you. Thank you. Can I take a quick peek?
노숙자가 발견한 손을 통해 피해자가 갱단 소속이라는 사실만 확인됩니다.
Judging by that, looks like somebody clicked up with these barrio.
We're going to preserve this for the detectives and start interviewing these people. This did not just fall from the sky.
갱단 간 보복 살인이라 판단한 하먼은 서장에게 수사권을 요청하지만
Where are we on Delgado's killer?
I'd tell you if we had some.
Well, what about the girl? Any ID on her?
Not yet.
Jesus, what are they doing? Ma'am, respectfully, just let me help them. All right, I'm more plugged into East Barrio than they are.
You and your rookie went off like an unguided missile and let the shooter get away, remember?
서장은 델가도의 죽음 이후 하먼의 상태가 아직 불안정하다고 판단합니다.
Narcotics unit requesting backup on suspicious vehicle, West Anaheim Avenue and Oregon Street.
Charlie 85 will take it. 3-minute ETA. Diaz!
공교롭게도 다른 현장에서는 갱단의 마약 배달책들이 체포되고
Hey, what do you got, gentlemen?
There she is. We're code 4. Heard someone lost their head in Greenbelt Park.
I lost a lot more than that. It just came from there. What'd you get here?
20 racks. Found it in the driver's seat with a few ounces of powder. By the tats, I say they're runners for LB Flores.
Can I talk to them?
About?
Delgado's murder.
I'll deny it if anyone asks.
하먼은 그들에게 도주 중인 매니악의 행방을 캐묻습니다.
Hey, wanna take a swing? Buenas. ¿Cómo están?
다소 강압적인 하먼을 대신해 친근하게 다가가는 디아스.
Señorita, mírame. Tú y yo sabemos que somos de la misma raza. Mi colega policía que ellos mataron también lo era.
No lo hemos visto. O cualquiera de esas chavalos. Solo desaparecieron. Como si la Llorona se los hubiera llevado.
같은 멕시코계라는 공감대를 이용해 자연스럽게 신뢰를 얻어낸 그는 매니악의 행방을 추적할 단서를 확보합니다.
Well, East Barrio and LB Flores used to be one big fucked up family. Let's just recognize them. She wasn't lying though. She's scared.
Well, my guess is OGs didn't sign off on killing a cop.
Agree.
쉴 새 없이 접수되는 사건 사고에 두 사람은 또다시 현장으로 향하고
Already got the weapon. The kid's fucked.
Ghost gun?
Piece of shit 40.
Watch your mouth, bitch.
Stupid ass got it. You're teaching our kids to kill each other.
You were all down with the clique before.
Back inside the house, all right? Stay back,
Shut your mouth, bitch.
Back up.
Shut your mouth, puta. Oh, you think you're tough?
Sir, on the gate.
What happened to your eye, puta?
Hey!
Sir, back up.
Back up on the sidewalk, please.
Pick it up and do your chores, fella. You're lucky I don't whoop your dumb ass.
한밤중 총기 사건 현장에서 한 갱단원이 디아스를 노골적으로 도발합니다.
Bet you never even walked the main line.
I did the shoe. Quit.
Okay, you did the shoe? I bet you in the soft tank in Chino.
Make a move. Make a move, bitch.
분노에 휩쓸릴 것인가 아니면 이성을 지킬 것인가 선택의 기로에 놓인 디아스는
Pussy ass mother. Yeah, keep walking.
그동안 하먼에게 배운 대로 간신히 분노를 억누릅니다.
You showed restraint tonight. I like that. When you put on this uniform, you leave the homeboy from San Pedro behind, right? You are not your brother.
사실 디아스는 갱단이 장악한 샌페드로 출신이었고 친형 역시 갱단 간부로 활동하다 지금은 복역 중인 인물이었죠.
Look, coming up, knocking people around was the norm. That shit was never me. I've never even fired my weapon in 12 years. So believe me, you can walk the line and still stay true to who you are.
I plan on it.
하먼은 그의 과거가 어떠했든 상관없다며 오직 한 명의 경찰로서 현장을 판단하라고 당부합니다.
Hey,
잠시 후 서장은 사망자의 신원을 알려주는데
you were right. Gang related.
바로 델가도 사망 사건 당시 운전대를 잡았던 갱단원.
East Barrio executed one of their own for killing Delgado.
Anything's possible.
What about Maniac?
No, still in the wind. Before Lucky's coleslaw.
We'd know if he was.
Good night.
하먼이 조용히 복수심을 키워가는 한편 홀로 남은 디아스에게 라스먼이 조용히 다가옵니다.
So I guess you do have some fight in you, huh?
Look, I didn't mean to lose my cool.
You handled it well.
Not sure my TO feels the same way.
Yeah, well, I'm sure she was just looking out for you. You know, I got to flag all footage that goes to the watch commander. The other day, I found this.
하먼이 용의자를 협박하던 장면이 담긴 바디캠 영상을 봤다며 사실인지 묻는 라스먼.
So what went down there? Diaz, look at me. Did she make a threat?
자신의 교관인 하먼과 가치관이 맞는 선배 라스먼 사이에서 디아스는 또 한 번 선택의 기로에 서게 됩니다. 다음 날 용의자 검거에 나선 디아스와 하먼.
Stop! Charlie 94 eyes on suspect Diaz. I'm in hot pursuit. Stop!
시민을 구하려던 디아스는 실수로 권총을 잃어버리고
Hey! Stop! No! Stop! Hey! No! 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 Don't you do it!
숨막히는 추격전은 용의자가 추락하며 막을 내립니다. 다행히 잃어버린 권총은 동기 홀트가 주워 보관하고 있었고
My advice: leave that part out of your report.
But even though we recovered it?
그는 권총을 돌려주며 하먼에 대한 좋지 않은 소문을 들려줍니다.
Can't trust her.
Bullshit.
She got a bunch of cops fired, including Lastman's partner.
For what?
Doing their job?
Diaz! With me!
가까운 동기의 말에 디아스의 마음에도 의심이 싹트기 시작합니다.
You said you had some trouble in West, right? People gunning for you. Why?
그녀에 대한 소문을 본인에게 단도직입적으로 물어보는 디아스.
Did I get someone fired?
Forget it. I shouldn't have
No,
asked.
where the f did you hear that? Did someone say something
No,
to you?
no. I was just wondering, okay?
하먼이 직접 답하려는 순간 어머니에게서 숨막히는 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
I can't. No, I don't need to chase her because she will turn up when she needs something. Yeah, I'll call you later. Love you. Bye.
Everything okay?
My sister.
You have a sister? She live in Long Beach?
No, LA. She used to be a cop. Don't change the subject. Where did you hear it?
I told you, okay? I was just wondering.
Charlie 85459 there now. Victims inside the residence. Respond code 30025 East Toledo.
설상가상 또 다른 신고까지 접수되며 디아스는 하먼의 답을 듣지 못한 채 현장으로 향하죠.
Long Beach PD! Whoa, let me see your hands!
No, they're gone. They're gone. We're in here. Oh, thank God you're here.
Okay, what happened? I was upstairs and
My husband was home alone. I came in and I found him tied up on the floor. Some guy, he broke in and hit him on the head.
피해자는 건장한 체격의 남성. 남편이 습격당했다는 아내의 신고로 경찰이 출동한 상황이었지만
Did you see what he looked like?
Yeah, he was Mexican, I think.
What makes you think that?
He looked swarthy.
Swarthy.
정작 범인은 현장 주변을 배회하고 있었고
Hey, police! Charlie 85 in mid-foot pursuit, 459 suspect, front yard of 30027 Toledo.
He go in there?
Yeah, I think so.
What the f waiting for?
Yeah, don't we need a warrant?
Long Beach Police Department!
Don't shoot.
Whoa, police! Stand up, nice and easy.
Don't shoot! Let me see your hands. Don't shoot!
Easy.
Don't shoot.
짧은 추격 끝에 체포된 그는 뜻밖의 이야기를 꺼내는데
El marido me invitó. Whoa. What? Sí, me deben dinero.
Dude.
오히려 피해자의 호출을 받고 이곳에 왔다는 것이었습니다.
You like BDSM sites? Says that's where you guys met. You offered to pay him to tie you up and have sex with them, but you were interrupted because your wife came home early.
And you believe him?
You did what?
Come on. This guy's a liar.
Dame tu celular.
Do you want to get that?
범인의 말을 끝까지 들어준 디아스 덕분에 두 사람은 피해자가 무고를 꾸미고 있다는 사실을 간파합니다.
Are you gonna arrest me?
No. Get your shit together. This ain't it.
Yes, sir.
사건이 마무리된 뒤 하먼은 디아스에게 집안을 곧바로 수색하지 않은 이유를 묻고
What, with the kid?
Yeah, outside the house. Why did you freeze up? You had exigent circumstance to enter. Does it have anything to do with what you asked me earlier? About me getting cops fired?
I'm just trying to follow the law.
디아스는 절차를 지켰을 뿐이라고 답하지만 하먼은 그가 자신을 둘러싼 소문을 의식하고 있다는 사실을 눈치챕니다.
Padawan, get my message?
하지만 세간의 소문과 달리 하먼은 마약 단속반으로부터 스카우트 제안을 받고 있었고
Well, there's no shot command staff is going to let me off patrol.
Ah, fuck them. They can't keep you in purgatory forever.
I'd really like to believe that, but...
You're destined for greater things, trust me.
다른 부서에서 그녀를 탐낸다는 사실을 이제 갓 순찰에 나선 디아스가 알 리 없었죠.
Anyone get the drop on Delgado shooter yet?
Detective thinks he's across the border.
그리고 마약 단속반은 매니악이 이미 멕시코 국경을 넘었을 가능성을 제기합니다.
I'm gonna make this happen. Don't do anything stupid in the meantime.
Mom again?
The detectives think that Maniac went southbound and down.
You think they're right?
I gotta see the guy.
직접 매니악의 행방을 확인하기 위해 빈민가로 향한 그녀.
No, stay here. Start your paperwork.
그곳에서 만난 사람은 롱비치를 장악한 갱단 이스트 바리오의 간부 스모키였습니다.
I'd rather you not drop by at all.
A kid named Maniac. He killed a police officer.
스모키는 델가도 살인에 연루된 자신의 부하를 제거하며 경찰의 분노를 잠재우려 했지만
It was handled.
Is that what Cortez was?
그 이면에는 매니악과 얽힌 또 다른 비밀이 숨어 있었는데
Kid's dead. It's a big shot caller in Quentin.
매니악은 한 갱단 보스의 아들이었고 스모키는 조직 간 전쟁을 막기 위해 부하를 희생양으로 내세울 수밖에 없었던 것이었죠.
Is Maniac in Mexico?
Stop looking. Or someone will be looking for you.
그리고 매니악을 찾지 말라는 스모키의 경고. 이는 오히려 매니악이 롱비치에 남아있다는 뜻이었죠.
The guy who owns this place is a heavyweight with East Barrio.
Okay, what do you say?
Said stop looking for Maniac.
So we're still in Long Beach.
452, suspect there now. Shoreline Drive at West 6th Street.
Shell 85, shorts responding, code 3.
평소처럼 출동에 나선 어느 날 하먼은 매니악과 관련된 단서를 얻게 됩니다.
You paid for 2 lines, you started 4! You started, you gotta pay for it!
That's right. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Bro, hold up. There's something you might be interested in.
Yeah, I'm fucking
something
sure
you want to
of it.
hear.
I doubt
For
it.
real?
I doubt it. Give me
For
your,
real?
give me your
There were some fools from East Barrio earlier partying with some girls, loud talking and shit. I heard one of them say that they were sitting on a hot package.
East Barrio.
Killed the cop, right?
매니악이 성매매 여성들을 불러 파티를 열 예정이라는 정보였죠.
Yeah. No, thank you.
파티 장소를 알아내기 위해 하먼은 파티에 참여하는 성매매 여성에게 접근하고
See there?
You think I want East Barrio on my ass?
Anybody ever tries to scare you, or if you get jammed up on the streets, you make me your first call.
간곡한 설득 끝에 매니악의 은신처를 알아냅니다.
Look, you see that Escalade? Look who's registered too.
Alberto Vieira, aka El Monstro. Gang affiliation, East Barrio. Holy shit, he's a heavy hitter. Should we call in?
No, we're gonna go code 5.
But I thought that we were supposed to forward anything on Maniac to the task force.
Yeah, and by the time they get here, he's probably gonna be gone. I'm not gonna risk losing him again.
그녀는 당장이라도 숙소에 들이닥쳐 매니악을 체포하고 싶었지만
Sir, can I have your attention, please? You seen this man?
델가도 사건의 비극을 되풀이하지 않기 위해 하먼은 지원 병력을 요청하며 때를 기다립니다.
Manager said he saw 4 check in. They haven't left the room once.
The ID Maniac?
No, but my money says that it's him and 3 hired guns. Now we call it in. 4 Charlie 85, we are code 6 at the Oceanside Motel, west of Chestnut. Confirmed Delgado's 187 suspect is on location, requesting all units, no lights, no sirens on Henderson, south of PCH.
매니악의 위치를 알아냈다는 무전에 주변의 모든 경찰들이 집결하고
Armin, give me a sec. All right, so Fed's got good intel that the kid's in Mexico.
He's not.
You notice how?
A source.
All right, let me talk to him.
Sir, there's no time.
Look, it's an exigent circumstance with a confirmed cop killer. You gotta trust me on this. He's here.
All right. It's your handle. You take lead.
하먼의 지휘 아래 마침내 매니악 체포 작전이 시작됩니다.
Get inside.
Long Beach PD! Long Beach PD! Long Beach PD!
Show me your hands!
Go! 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 Next room! Stay low! Go! Get fired! Get fired!
Don't move!
Don't move! Do not take your weapon off of him. Hey! Drop the gun!
Get the hood up!
Hey! Hey! Hold him down. I got him.
경찰의 지시에 불응하며 도주를 시도하는 매니악.
Charlie 85 in foot pursuit of the suspect at the abandoned Walmart just south of Oceanside Boulevard, requesting backup.
하먼은 망설임 없이 어두운 건물 안으로 그의 뒤를 쫓고
Charlie 85 inside of the abandoned Walmart. Suspect is here, requesting all additional units into.
빈틈을 노린 매니악의 기습에 두 사람은 치열한 몸싸움을 벌입니다. 엎치락 뒤치락하던 몸싸움 끝에 승리는 총을 가진 하먼에게 돌아가고
Harmon! Harmon!
Yeah, I'm here.
Get down! Fucking move, I'll blow your brains out. You hear me? You fucking hear me? Talk to me, Harmon. You good? We good?
I'm good. I'm good.
그토록 염원해왔던 매니악의 체포에 성공합니다.
Hey, nice one.
Thank you.
You said you wanted to run something past me. I didn't think you were serious.
And you know me. Never half speed.
And you? From everything I've seen, it's a clean shooting on your end. I can't tell you how to process this, especially since this is your first.
하지만 마약 단속반조차 찾지 못한 매니악을 하먼이 먼저 찾아냈다는 사실에 서장은 정보의 출처를 캐묻기 시작합니다.
I just got lucky, I guess.
We got a task force dedicated to working Delgado's murder, and a patrol cop got lucky.
What do you want me to say?
If you went off book, you might want to tell me.
Is this you and me talking?
Always.
끝까지 비밀을 지켜주겠다는 약속을 받은 뒤에야 하먼은 정보 제공자를 풀어준 사실을 털어놓고
Hey, come on. Let me buy you a beer. Una cervecita, maybe a shot.
Yeah, okay. I'll catch up.
Bye.
Good night.
오랫동안 자신을 짓눌러왔던 죄책감에서도 비로소 벗어나게 됩니다. 하지만 매니악을 붙잡았다고 해서 델가도가 돌아오는 것은 아니었습니다. 매니악 검거 이후 거리에는 잠시 평화가 찾아오고 순찰 경찰들도 오랜만에 한숨을 돌리게 됩니다.
You good?
With?
Shooting.
Man, I was. Until you completely fucked with my vibe. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
All
so
right.
maybe you could go
Jesus.
backwards, do a little rewind, unfuck it,
Unfuck
and we
it?
could get along with our day. Alright?
All right.
또 다른 문제가 그들을 기다리고 있었으니
You mind if I make a stop? I gotta see someone.
We can't call them?
It's my mom.
바로 누구도 피해갈 수 없는 가족과의 마찰이었습니다.
Oh, is that her?
Yeah, I'll be quick.
No, I'm coming with.
Not a good idea.
What? Be rude. Come on.
I asked you to come alone.
Yeah, I know.
told you I was working.
Hi, I'm your son's training officer, Tracy Harmon. I need to talk to my son.
경찰에 대한 적개심을 숨기지 않는 디아스의 엄마.
When have they respected us? That's okay. I'll go wait by the car.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Did he tell you about his brother? Y'all took his future away. It was nice meeting you, man.
그녀는 무거운 표정으로 수감 중인 형에게 변고가 생겼다는 소식을 전합니다.
Your cousin Eddie came by the house. Said Gabriel has a hit on his head.
What are you talking about? What do you mean a hit?
Alex, they want to kill him because of you and whatever you did.
매니악 검거 작전에 참여한 대가로 형이 보복의 표적이 된 것이었죠.
Te dije que esta mierda iba a pasar.
자신의 선택 때문에 형이 위험에 처했다는 사실에 디아스는 깊은 죄책감에 빠집니다.
Not let anything happen to him.
한편 하먼 역시 예상치 못한 연락을 받게 되는데
Trace, you gotta say. I found your sister.
응급구조사로부터 오랫동안 행방이 묘연했던 언니의 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
You should go talk to her.
I've tried that, all right? She's a lost cause.
Yeah, but she's your sister.
Do you know what happened the last time I brought her home? She stole the wedding ring our dead father gave my mother and she pawned it for a bag of meth.
하먼과 디아스 두 사람의 마음을 무겁게 짓누르는 가족 문제.
You've been checking your phone non-stop since we saw your mom. Do you want to tell me what's up?
It's my brother, man.
Your brother what?
My mom said he had a green light on him inside.
Over some gang beef?
Over what we did. Grab a maniac.
디아스의 형에게 얽힌 사정을 들은 하먼은 보호 감찰을 받게 하자고 제안하지만
Look, I have a friend in the DA's office. He could get your brother into protective custody.
That man. Clean.
What? Why that?
My brother goes into protective custody. His whole life's over.
갱단에게 경찰의 보호를 받는다는 건 곧 조직을 배신한 밀고꾼이라는 낙인이었죠.
But you know that that's some prison code bullshit.
Yeah, to you. Maybe.
그때 수상한 차량 한 대가 두 사람의 시선을 끌고
Whoa!
Jesus, here we go.
Charlie 5, be advised, we're on traffic on West 14th in Oregon.
Driver, pull over into this parking lot.
Oh, sorry about that back there.
운전석에는 인근 요양병원에서 나온 치매 노인이 앉아 있었습니다.
You realize you almost just caused a major accident, Lawrence?
I'm sorry, officer. Really? Really?
Okay, why don't you turn off the vehicle and step out?
하먼이 노인을 돌보는 사이 디아스에게 걸려온 형의 전화.
Sonny's body will put a hit on you.
Yeah, but don't trip, alright? It is what it is.
Mom was right, man.
Hey, what'd I say when you asked me if I was down for you to go to the academy, huh? What'd I say?
You said do it.
Yeah, and you know why I said that? Because you braver than me. You always been. I'm proud of you, Carnalito. Shit, I gotta go, bro. Promise me you won't do anything.
Hey, Gabby, wait. Gabby.
그가 갱단의 보복을 당했다는 사실에 다급해진 디아스는 스모키의 도움을 받자고 하지만
Look, I need to talk to your guy at a thought, okay?
매니악 검거 이후 스모키와 완전히 틀어진 하먼에게는 더 이상 그를 움직일 방법이 없었습니다.
We can protect him.
Oh, he's not doing protective custody.
All right, well, we're not going back to Smokey, so you need to find another angle.
That's some nerve, man. See
What?
it now.
결국 감정을 주체하지 못한 디아스는 하먼에게 거친 말을 쏟아내고
I said I see why people talk shit about you. I see it.
Yeah, why?
Can't trust her. Doesn't have your back.
That's what they say? You got some balls.
You got my brother in this situation.
Me? No. We got him into this situation. You don't remember? I gave you an out before we hit that motel. Look, Smokey is a stone-cold killer, all right? We go back to him, your mother could be down 2 sons. No, I offered you my help, but you're too bullheaded to take it.
두 사람 사이에 점점 금이 가기 시작한 그때 한 부부의 싸움이 시선을 사로잡습니다.
Sean, I can't take this anymore.
Take what? What am I doing now?
You need help.
I don't need help. I
Yes,
need
you
you.
do.
Sick
Hey,
one
hey,
now.
what's the issue?
I'm just having a conversation with my wife.
He's bipolar. He keeps threatening to kill himself if I leave his
I
house.
never said
Hey,
that.
let's just calm down. Everybody's
talking
gonna
about
calm
killing
down.
himself in front of our son.
Hey, whoa. Let's just give her some
Hey!
Whoa.
Cover your head.
Take your shit out of him.
Man, back up.
Sean,
back
please.
up.
Our son is watching.
Okay, look.
Take your hands
Sean,
out of
right?
his
I'm gonna lower my weapon. We're gonna lower our weapons. You're gonna remove your hands from your jacket, okay? Same time. Okay? That's it. That's it. Come on.
디아스의 설득에 남편은 잠시 진정하는 듯했지만 자신의 몸에 기름을 뿌리며 상황이 최악으로 치닫기 시작합니다.
Y'all wanted some action, huh? Here's your action.
Look at me. Look at me. Come on.
I need
Let's have a conversation. Let's talk.
Pacific shutdown and less lethal ASAP.
I got shit to say to you, man.
That's fine. I'll talk. Okay? I'll talk.
Let him talk. Hey.
Sean, look, I'm having a pretty day too, man. Okay, seems like every choice I've made, every single one has been the wrong choice. I pissed off my mom. I put a target on my brother. I mean, okay. Look at you, man. Brother, look at yourself. Okay? You ain't got it so bad. You got a wife who cares. You got a son. Okay, a son who looks up to you. Okay, look at your son. That's your baby boy. Your family needs you, man. They need you. Just end this peacefully, man. That's it. That's it.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, man. Look, brother, you don't have to apologize to me, brother. I hear you, okay?
디아스가 필사적으로 만류하지만
You two deserve better.
남편은 끝내 스스로 불을 붙여버리고 맙니다.
He's getting your baby. Come on.
디아스가 구한 것은 아빠와 함께 타 죽을 뻔한 아이뿐. 최선을 다했음에도 한 사람을 눈앞에서 잃었다는 사실에 디아스는 깊은 자책에 빠지지만
Nah, man, I keep thinking, what if we didn't walk over and just let him be?
That family was going to suffer a much worse fate if you had not intervened. Trust me. We think we know what this job is when we first come on, but it's not really ever clear to us until we get that one call.
하먼은 현장에서는 모든 변수를 예측할 수 없다며 그를 다독여주고
Those rumors that you heard about me.
Forget it.
No,
Okay,
no. A little bit over a year ago, Lastman's partner went too hard on a suspect. I pulled him off and he shoved me. It wasn't a big deal, but he was fired for it. And the people who tried to cover it up were let go too. Lastman lost his promotion to lieutenant and went to bishop instead. And he and a couple of other people blame me. But the truth is, I never even filed a complaint.
자신이 동료 경찰을 내쫓았다는 소문 역시 사실이 아니었다는 진실을 털어놓습니다.
But if you ever question my integrity again, we're gonna have a fucking problem.
그날 이후 디아스는 더 이상 하먼의 진심을 의심하지 않게 되죠.
Hey, look, I want to apologize for what I said last shift. Plus, I never really believed that stuff.
Man, that bullshit's been haunting me since it happened. And you were gonna hear about it one way or another, so.
자칫 두 사람 사이를 갈라놓을 뻔한 사건은 오히려 서로를 더욱 신뢰하게 되는 계기가 되었고
Your mom? What's going on with your brother?
He was jumped in the yard yesterday. Apparently, it was like 3 guys. You know, CEOs, they broke it up, but... Whoa. Where the hell are we going?
We go see Smokey.
디아스의 형이 곤경에 처했다는 말에 하먼은 곧장 스모키를 찾아갑니다.
How's your brother, little homie? Already got all jammed up.
Walking the main line in the Pinta can be dangerous, huh?
그런데 이전과 달리 갱단의 분위기는 심상치 않았는데
What's with all the muscle?
Take a guess.
You didn't give up, maniac? Why should the bosses come down on you?
I had a nephew about your age. Just got on with La Mesa PD. It's much chingón, especially these days.
I'm my brother. He's got nothing to do with anything.
Mano, you grew up around this shit. You know the rules.
사실 스모키는 매니악을 지키지 못한 책임으로 조직 내부의 보복을 받고 있었고
211 outlaws. They've been a pain in my ass over on the south side. Maybe some cases fall on them.
궁지에 몰린 그는 특정 갱단을 대신 검거해달라는 무리한 부탁을 꺼내지만
I put maniac in cuffs. It was my call. I am the one that you want.
It's more fun making you watch.
하먼이 그 제안을 받아들일 리 없다는 것은 그 자리에 있던 모두가 알고 있는 사실.
The guys up in Corcoran were a little embarrassed things didn't end differently. They won't miss twice.
스모키는 자신뿐 아니라 디아스의 형까지 갱단의 타깃이 되었다는 소식을 전해줍니다.
Call your brother, see if he's all right.
Can't.
Call him!
I can't. They confiscated his phone and they fucking jumped him, man.
형을 지킬 방도가 없다는 사실에 절망하는 그때 약물 과다 복용 신고가 접수되고
Long Beach Police! Please, help, they're upstairs. What's your name? Misty. Charlie 85 requesting additional units for crowd control.
현장에 도착한 두 사람은 집단으로 심정지에 빠진 학생들을 발견합니다.
Hey, come on. That's it. Okay. Hey, breathe.
Paramedics are arriving now.
Oh my god, that's my sister!
No. You gotta wait between doses at least 3 minutes. Check her pulse.
Wake up! Please wake up!
No pulse.
Start CPR. Somebody turn the f***ing music off.
Clear path. Get him out of here.
We just Narcan them.
Copy that. Stay on compressions.
I got it.
Stay on the chest.
I'll take over.
You got her?
Yeah. Room?
Yep. Back up. Clear. Okay. Come on.
필사적인 응급처치 끝에 학생들을 살려내지만
Just breathe.
한 학생은 끝내 의식을 되찾지 못하고 맙니다.
Got a pulse. Hey, get the stretcher in here. We gotta get her to the ER right now.
Whose house is this?
여동생에게 약을 권한 남학생을 향해 분노를 감추지 못하는 하먼.
You're supposed to be looking out for her.
I don't
You f***ed up? She could be dead.
I need her to be okay. Is she gonna be okay?
Just go be with her. Go. Make sure that you get in the ambulance, okay? And make sure you call your parents from the hospital.
그녀가 이토록 격앙된 이유는 한때 경찰이었던 언니가 중독으로 무너지는 모습을 지켜봤기 때문이었죠.
Told you my sister was a cop. She was injured in line of duty, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, an injury wasn't what ended her career, per se. She was prescribed Oxy, and then when that wasn't enough, it was heroin and whatever else she could get her hands on. 6 months she went from patrolling the streets to living on them.
이번 사건이 언니를 떠올리게 한 탓일까? 구급대원이 알려준 장소에서 언니의 행방을 수소문하기 시작하고
I'm looking for Jen. You know her?
Who?
The sheriff.
Over there. Past the bathroom.
마침내 만나게 된 언니 젠은 노숙자들 사이에서 약을 팔고 있었습니다.
Don't worry. It's just my little sister.
더 늦기 전에 그녀를 집으로 데려가려는 하먼.
It's time for you to come home, Jen.
Yeah, Mom picked me up.
Because you stole from her. She wants you back.
I'm fine. I'm just hanging here with my friends.
Your friends?
Yes. There's Cosmo and Mandy and Elroy. No, I am staying.
젠이 완강히 거부하자 결국 그녀에게 수갑을 채워버립니다.
Just go. No, I said no. Oh, you were serious.
I'm not gonna be the one who tells Mom that you OD'd on some
Bitch, all right? Oh, if you going to jail means getting clean, then so be it.
언니가 다시 일어설 의지만이라도 되찾기를 바랐던 하먼에게는 너무나 가슴 아픈 현실이었지만
She clean?
Yeah. No drugs. Just this.
노숙자가 된 지금까지도 경찰 배지를 품고 있는 언니의 모습을 보며 하먼은 복잡한 감정에 휩싸입니다.
There is a better solution to this.
You don't know the history here.
Look, I get it. All right, there's a lot about today that we can't change.
So you're gonna criticize my decision making now?
No, I'm just telling you that this is not the answer.
Okay, yeah. So you know what's best.
I know somewhere she won't be able to get away. All right, it's safe and not far. Just trust me.
그녀를 돕기 위해 제니 머물 안전 쉼터를 소개해주는 디아스.
Yeah, me and my brother, we used to take my mom here after her boyfriend knocked her around. They help women get clean too.
Wait. I know what this means to you. So I'm gonna hold on to it until you get out.
You do that.
순순히 쉼터로 들어가는 언니를 보며 하먼은 비로소 작은 희망을 품게 됩니다.
Hey, I had an idea about your brother. We move him. No, I don't mean into protective custody. I mean to a different facility. Somewhere East Barrio doesn't have reach.
You could do that?
Yeah, I could try cashing in a favor. Come on. Coffee's on me.
다음 날 강도 신고를 받고 현장에 달려간 하먼은 참혹한 광경을 목격하게 됩니다.
Three crazy in hockey masks knocking off a safe.
대마초 판매점에서 총격전이 벌어져 지나가던 시민까지 총상을 입었고
I'm Officer Harmon. Are you okay? Are you injured?
It's Malcolm's bloody.
These guys in masks? You recognize their voices?
They sounded familiar.
Familiar like how?
Like from the hood.
Was there anything else that stands out?
Yeah, the safe.
Why?
They knew exactly where it was.
범인들은 금고만 노린 채 사라진 치밀한 계획범들이었습니다.
This is feeling like an inside job. Do we have access to the cameras?
The receptionist said all the footage is on the cloud, and the manager's the only one with access to it.
Where is he?
Vegas.
Fantastic.
현장을 수습할 tim도 없이 또 다른 강도 사건이 발생하고
Ma'am, you're okay? Slow down. Slow down. Are they still here?
No, they're gone.
Diaz, go check it out.
Copy.
Is there any other family in the house? Lay back.
No, it's just me. My dad is on his way.
이번에도 범인들은 숨겨진 비밀 금고의 위치를 정확히 알고 있었습니다.
Two consecutive hits one afternoon.
It gets better.
뜻밖에도 피해자는 바로 스모키의 딸 레오나.
Could you ID any of the men who attacked you?
They were wearing masks.
I know your dad. Okay, I've helped him out of a jam or two, so you can talk to me.
If you know my dad, you know that I can't talk to you.
Okay, yeah, take her.
잇따른 강도 사건은 모두 스모키를 향한 경고 메시지이자
This has to be LB Flores making a move on Smokey.
No, this isn't a rival gang. This is an insurrection.
In East Barrio?
Yeah, it's a power grab. I mean, you really think somebody outside of his own crew had knowledge of both safes?
Hold on, are you guessing here? You know something I don't.
I went to see Smokey.
And?
And the bosses are pissed at him for not protecting Maniac. They're sending a message.
범인의 정체를 알고 있어도 경찰에게 말할 수 없다는 것을 의미했죠.
The men who did this to you, are they connected to your father?
Anna, what are you doing?
Hey, get her out of here, okay?
Leona! Leona!
Hey! Hey! Okay, we got her. She's safe. We got her.
Oh my God, what hospital is he taking her
Hey,
to?
you need to talk to us.
Talk to you. That's what started this shit.
Let's put whatever bullshit we have between us aside, and let's get these assholes.
You protect your family. I'll protect mine.
I got a better angle. Stage 2 tactical alert. We go full court press on East Barrio.
Whoa, tactical alert?
Yeah, we serve warrants on every documented member in the neighborhood. They want to fight each other? Let them do it in our lockup.
갱단의 내부 싸움에 시민들의 피해가 발생하자 라스먼은 강경 진압을 준비합니다.
Tonight's an opportunity to act fast. No bullshit policy or red tape. We put these motherfuckers in check the way we used to. We are going zero tolerance on East Barrio. We want every banger possible locked up.
This isn't a retribution tour for Officer Delgado. This is about preventing more bloodshed. Use good judgment.
폭력배는 모조리 소탕해야 한다는 라스먼과 달리 하먼이 지키고 싶었던 것은 평범한 시민들의 일상. 무차별적인 강경 진압은 더 큰 유혈 사태를 불러올 뿐이라며 그녀는 작전에 반대하고
If we can find out who attacked her, maybe we can contain this.
유혈 사태로 번지는 것을 막기 위해서는 하루빨리 범인의 행방을 알아내야 했습니다.
My head feels like a split papaya.
It ain't too bad.
갱단의 문화를 잘 아는 디아스는 스모키의 딸 레오나를 찾아가 조심스레 설득을 시작합니다.
Why a lion?
My dad always called me his lioness.
You seem too sweet.
You don't know me yet.
Look, my mom, she always told us to never trust cops, so I get it. But your dad might not make it out of this. Leona, he's gonna kill whoever did this to you if they don't kill him
I
first.
know.
Then tell me their names.
What if they come back?
Then I will be here for you before you put down the phone.
그의 진심이 통했던 것일까? 레오나는 끝내 범인 중 한 명의 정보를 넘겨주지만
Guy's name is Edgar Torres, aka. Looks like he was muscle for Smokey.
She say where he stays?
Yeah, 20th and Lackme, House of the White Fence.
Jesus, if she knows that, so does Smokey.
그녀가 범인의 정체를 안다는 것은 스모키 역시 알고 있다는 뜻.
Police, show me your hands!
범인의 은신처에는 스모키가 다녀간 흔적만 남아 있었고
Charlie 85, roll EMS over to 1540 East 20th Street. We got 2 victims, multiple gunshot wounds. Send me homicide and a supervisor. 1 DOA. Go get a towel. We need to staunch the bleeding. Was this Smokey?
Pour into me, Lord, your spirit.
Edgar, was this Smokey? Edgar!
갱단원은 숨이 멎는 순간에도 끝내 스모키를 범인으로 지목하지 않습니다.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
자신을 죽인 원수라 해도 경찰에게만은 발설하지 않는 것, 그것이 갱단의 침묵의 규율이었죠.
Should we put a bolo out for Smokey?
Who's gonna finger him for this double homicide? Got no witnesses or evidence.
Maybe we just sit back then. Let them take each other out.
Remember this. It doesn't matter who they were yesterday. Today, they're our victims.
누구든 허무하게 목숨을 잃는 일만큼은 막고 싶었던 하먼.
Need additional units to respond to MacArthur Park for a gang fight and multiple East Barrio members being detained.
What do you want to do?
First, we wait for detectives.
한편 경찰은 갱단 조직원들을 무차별적으로 연행하기 시작하지만
What do you think you're doing?
There's your message. Sent and received.
문제는 그들 역시 누군가의 가족이자 친구였다는 사실.
Do you realize what you've done?
What, taking violent offenders off the street?
강경 진압은 결국 시민들의 거센 반발로 되돌아올 것이 분명했습니다.
Put 12 years into this community. All right, it's not either or.
So what do you think? You've lived what I've lived and you have all the answers?
Sir, no. I do not have the answers. All right, but I know what we have done here today, it isn't it.
You know what? It's a start.
This is not a start. This is...
Come on.
하지만 대부분의 경찰들은 라스먼의 의견에 찬성했고 하먼은 무력하게 경찰서에 남아있을 수밖에 없었습니다.
You got some stones going toe to toe with Lasman.
I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
The best we can. Actually, the luck is we got a bird whistling in our ears. Singing a song that's gonna hand us Smokey.
때마침 마약 단속반에서 스모키를 타깃으로 삼으며 하먼은 이 사태를 끝낼 기회를 포착합니다.
You in?
Yeah.
마약 단속반과 함께 스모키 검거 작전에 나선 하먼. 첫 번째 표적은 스모키에게 마약을 전달하는 운반책이었습니다.
Police, move and I drop you.
Jesus.
Shh. Hands above your head.
What you assholes supposed to come through the front door and show me a warrant?
경찰은 거래를 가로채 스모키의 신병을 확보할 계획이었고
We've been on you 2 months. Watching you work Terminal 11 down at the port. Picking up that dope and making the delivery rounds.
And that includes Santiago Carrillo. And we hear that he's got 50 keys of fentanyl coming in from China tomorrow. Do you know what just one carries?
Life, motherfucker.
What do you say?
종신형까지 거론하는 하먼의 압박에 운반책은 결국 거래 시간과 장소를 털어놓습니다.
The commander signed off on you.
For what?
Permanent spot on my team. We just need the chief to okay your transfer, then you could ride with the big dogs for real. Told you I'd make it happen.
Dude.
이대로 스모키 체포에 성공한다면 하먼의 마약반 전출도 보장된 상황.
Can't play mama bear to every cub that comes through here.
I'm ready.
Herman.
Not a word until it's official.
You got about a dozen offenders charged, processed, and ready to be transported. What are you doing?
So has anybody flipped? Giving up Smokey?
He's got 50 keys of China Fire coming in tonight.
Smokey's a person of interest in a double homicide and a marked man by his own team, and you think he's still here in Long Beach?
We got Smokey's runner. He's in custody and cooperating. He'll conduct a controlled delivery for us.
We got good intel on the drop?
We don't know the exact meeting spot until we're on the move with the drugs.
Yeah, but either way, we flush Smokey out and we take him down.
Well, we... Okay. Do your thing. I'm here if you need me.
거래 장소에 스모키만 나타난다면 롱비치를 피로 물들인 갱단 전쟁도 마침내 끝내게 되는데
Start off as a fixed surveillance at the port. Once the CI picks up the load, we go mobile. Follow the CI to Smokey, let a hand-to-hand exchange take place, then we drop the hammer.
작전을 기다리던 하머는 이번 일을 끝으로 다른 부서로 떠난다는 사실을 디아스에게 조심스레 전합니다.
You should know what's up. Coy asked me to join his team.
Are you?
If the stars align, absolutely.
갑작스러운 이별을 받아들일 틈도 없이 무전이 울려 퍼지고
Wizards loaded up with the product and got the drop location from Smokey. We're on the move to downtown Johnny's.
The truck stop?
That's the one. We're letting this play out, so stay low.
10-4.
Heads up, we're live. Anyone have eyes on Smokey?
Negative.
Hold your positions. I think I have him.
마침내 스모키의 차량이 거래 장소의 모습을 드러냅니다.
Coy, we ready to move or what?
Hold tight. Smokey's got someone else handling the pickup.
Who?
His daughter.
하지만 약을 받으러 나타난 사람은 예상과 달리 스모키가 아닌 그의 딸 레오나. 그 순간 반란을 일으킨 조직원들이 레오나를 기습합니다.
And it's Smokey's own crew. Everyone move in. I repeat, move in.
Shot fired. Repeat shot.
경찰은 어쩔 수 없이 총격전 속에 뛰어들 수밖에 없었고
The downtown Johnny's truck stop. Active firefight underway. Plainclothes officers requesting help.
Hold your fire. Hold your fire.
Yes, get back here! Hold your gun!
아수라장 가운데에서 레오나를 구하기 위해 명령을 무시하는 디아스. 그녀를 쫓던 끝에 마침내 스모키와 마주하지만
Hey, Poncho, cop!
레오나는 아버지에게 총을 겨눈 디아스를 향해 망설임 없이 방아쇠를 당겨버립니다.
You gotta protect your family, and I gotta protect mine.
Diaz!
Hey, hang on, brother. I got you. I got you. Breathe, man. Breathe. Hey, look at me. I'm right here, brother.
Where's he?
It's all right. It's just a nick.
Smokey.
Where?
Go. I got your rookie. Go.
부상당한 디아스를 마약 단속반에 맡긴 채 하모는 추격을 이어가고
Let me see your fucking hands! I'm not gonna say it again. Show me your fucking hands!
디아스의 총에 맞은 스모키는 얼마 지나지 않아 하몬에게 붙잡히고 맙니다.
Charlie 85. We have multiple casualties at our 20. One critical. Need EMS.
Copy 85, EMS already en route. Stand by for assistance.
I'm not going back to prison.
Oh, I'm not letting you die.
Leona.
I'm sorry.
델가도의 죽음이 이런 파국을 불러올 것을 예상하고 어떻게든 상황을 통제하려 했던 스모키.
Because that fucking kid killed some cop. Me and you were the only ones holding it down back in the day.
I still am.
하지만 그의 모든 노력은 거리 위에 더 많은 피만 남긴 채 끝내 경찰에 체포되고 맙니다.
How you feeling?
I ain't gonna lie. Shit hurts like a motherfucker.
사건이 마무리된 뒤 마약 단속반으로 옮길 줄 알았던 하머는 뜻밖의 소식을 듣게 되는데
We need to talk about that.
I already told him. So go ahead.
Your transfer was denied.
Why?
Someone in West put a brick on you. I don't know who, but there's nothing I can do.
바로 내부자의 반대로 전출이 취소되었다는 것.
She pissed off one of the bosses and they're holding her back.
가장 먼저 의심을 받은 사람은 승진 기회를 빼앗겼던 라스먼이었지만
How long are you planning on holding this vendetta against me?
What vendetta?
Everyone knows that you blame me for not getting bumped up to lieutenant, all right? But that was your partner's fault. It wasn't mine.
Harmon, that's ancient history.
Then why the fuck was I sidelined from the drug team?
Hey, whoa, look, whatever you may think, I
No,
didn't
if you have a score to settle, at least have the balls to do it to my face, okay? Don't go through department politics.
You need to chill on your tone and sit down.
정작 그의 입에서 나온 진실은 그녀의 예상을 뒤엎는 것이었고
Your first day training, Diaz. You were captured on body cam, verbally threatening to physically assault a civilian on the domestic call. And then on top of that, you ordered the kid to dime you out, knowing full well that would brand him a snitch the rest of his career.
No, I didn't order him
No,
to do anything. All right, I
hold
was
on.
just-
Whoa! You started this shit, let me finish. If I was looking for some bullshit score to settle, there it was. Wrapped for me in a fucking bow. But nothing came of it. You wanna know why? Huh? Because I buried the footage to protect you. And your rookie. So if someone sidelined you from the drug team, it sure the wasn't me.
오랫동안 하먼과 대립했음에도 불구하고 그녀에게 불리한 바디캠 영상을 삭제했던 사람이 바로 라스먼이었습니다.
Sir, that was admirable, but unnecessary.
Look, Harmon. Lord knows you and I don't see eye to eye on a whole lot of shit. With all the craziness going on out there, there's one thing I know for sure. Is that you feel it the same way I do.
Yes, sir.
그렇게 라스먼과 오랜 오해를 풀고 난 다음 날 디아스의 교육 과정이 끝나고 최종 평가가 시작됩니다.
I'm not gonna lie. The job's a lot harder than I thought. But it's also more rewarding as well. A lot more. Yeah, I'm becoming the officer I strive to be. That's due to Officer Harmon's guidance. And what I'm most grateful for is that you made me a better man. I owe you a lot more than you know.
Harmon, do you have a recommendation?
Diaz, you have a fearless drive. But trust is earned through smart decisions, not just brave ones. You keep on running into situations that are dangerous, ignoring orders. That's why it's my recommendation that we drop you back to day one and we restart probation.
Diaz? Any response?
감사의 인사를 전하는 디아스에게 하먼이 내린 평가는 뜻밖에도 교육 제의수.
No, ma'am.
Okay then. As long as you understand what this means. If you fail again, you're out. Thank you, you're dismissed.
디아스가 배신감에 젖은 착잡한 표정으로 떠난 후 서장과 둘만 남게 된 하먼은 자신의 전출을 막은 이유를 물어봅니다.
Can I have a minute? You denied my transfer to the drug team?
I did.
Why?
Because you disobeyed direct orders going after Maniac.
하지만 서장이 그런 결정을 내린 데에는 나름 합당한 이유가 있었는데
You said that was going to stay between us.
It has. That's why you're not off the job. Any other lieutenant would have fired you.
I got justice for Delgado.
And put your rookie's life in danger.
That's bullshit.
Harmon, listen to your own sermon.
하먼이 매니악을 체포하는 데 성공했지만 그를 쫓지 말라는 명령을 무시한 것은 신참 디아스와 다를 바 없었다는 것.
So I'm stuck on patrol.
For now.
Then let me take Diaz.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Come on. I know him. Through and through.
Blindsided me.
You think that was an easy decision to make?
Look, I got 60 days on. It's not like I was gonna ride solo anyway.
That's why I told Bishop you're sticking with me.
For another rotation.
For however long it takes.
결국 형사의 길 대신 다시 현장 교관의 길을 선택한 하먼.
Charlie 85. Clear.
언젠가 디아스를 진정한 경찰로 성장시키기 위해 그리고 오늘도 거리의 안전을 지키기 위해 그녀는 다시 순찰을 개시합니다. 아마존 프라임 드라마 온콜 롱비치 경찰서 신입 순경 알렉스 디아스가 첫 출근하는 날부터 이야기가 시작됩니다. 훈련 담당은 베테랑 순경 트레이시 하먼. 겉으론 단단해 보이지만 개인적으로 아픈 사건을 겪고 아직 회복 중인 인물이죠. 이 둘이 파트너가 되면서 진짜 순찰 현장이 어떤 곳인지 보여줍니다. 이 드라마 제일 큰 특징은 바디캠, 대시캠, 핸드헬드 촬영을 섞어서 진짜 현장에 있는 것 같은 느낌을 준다는 겁니다. 화면이 흔들리고 시야가 제한되는 순간까지 그대로 담아내니까 몰입감이 확실히 다릅니다. 내용도 단순한 범인 잡기가 아닙니다. 트레이시는 불량했던 과거를 가진 후배를 통해 스스로를 돌아보게 되고, 알렉스는 경찰 업무가 흑과 백으로 딱 나눠지지 않는다는 걸 하나씩 배워갑니다. 총 8부작 안에 다양한 사건이 쉴 틈 없이 몰아치는데 경찰이라는 직업을 영웅담으로 포장하지 않고 그 안에서 흔들리는 사람들 모습을 가감없이 보여주는 부분이 인상적이었죠. 경찰이라는 직업의 무게를 몸으로 느끼게 하는 드라마 온콜이었습니다.